everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Uzalo from the 12th to the 16th of December 2022 on Monday. The talent show festivities continue as more hopefuls while the judges in hopes of walking away with the 100,000 Rand prize on Tuesday. The mystery surprise boxer is revealed. Monty and Nyao have a rendezvous with Commissioner Biela on Wednesday. Monty tightened his ship at the police station, unaware of the looming tragedy. Nosipo tried to alert Pastor Gwala to Nkazimulo's secret but failed. The overall winner of the talent show is announced on Thursday. Monty believes that Mtambisi is still keeping an eye on him, probably waiting to strike again. Nkunzi is happy with how the event turned out. He has a surprise for Hlelo. Mrs. Madlala is determined to celebrate this December with a new man by her side on Friday. A man's dream are crushed when he realized that his woman still hung up on her lover. Nkazimulo tried to meet his ultimatum with no success. Mkhonto gives Nosipo and Pastor Gwala some bad news. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.